Right guys, as you can see, this one looks after the polishing and this one is before. See the difference? Simple process. All you have to do is buy this machine from the this polish from the market, and just give it a good polish with the machine gun, and there you go, the result. This headlight looks as completely brand new as compared to the one on the other side. So I'm just gonna do the other side in a minute. You just repeat the process and you can see the difference. Look at this, brand spanking new as compared to this one on this side. This car is Toyota Corolla and it's done 123,000 miles, and you can see the difference. This is the side which I haven't polished yet, all frosted, as compared to this side I've just polished right in front of you. Thank you very much for watching this video.